Hey, this is Stephen Rupp with Super Chevy, and here with Andrew Erickson from Painless. We're working on our 55 Chevy out here. This is for the CPP Week to Wicked, sponsored by Golden Star. You know what? A lot of cool parts out there, and none of that stuff works without wiring.
Yes,
We're not going to have anything. You're not going to have our AC's not going to be working. Our LT1's not going to be firing. We need wiring, and you guys make a lot of different kits out there, from the direct fit stuff to the Pro Series. What do we have here?
So this is an upcoming kit we have. We have our Pro Series kits that we released last year that do a lot of the 60s stuff. We have a Tri-5 kit coming out to where it'll have the majority of the connectors, terminals, everything you're going to need.
Oh, nice. So you'll have, they'll have these connectors that are specific for a Tri-5, but you may not have, especially if you're building a car from scratch like we are. We don't have any original plugs or anything. So.
Yeah, and the nice thing with this is we give you extra length wire. We group into sections, so you mount the fuse block, route it to length, can keep it really hidden, and no Tri-5 is done stock anymore. Okay. So this gives you the ability to modernize.
Sure. And this is more for a smooth firewall like what we have, but you also make ones that fit right into the factory.
Yeah, we have different. So this one comes with a grommet. So like for your car, it had no holes on the firewall, so you kind of had the choice of how you wanted to go about it. We have a grommet that'll fill the factory connector location, so you just pass the wires through a grommet.
Okay, oh, that's nice.
We have some GM bulkhead versions as well.
Okay.
So.
And battery kit?
Yeah, so we have battery cable kits. They're real nice, welding lead. They're super malleable, easy to route. We offer them in 16-foot options. If you want to mount your battery in the back, we have a new 8-foot option. So just a ton of different options as far as that stuff goes. Another nice thing, let's talk about the installation manual. We tell you how to properly ground your car right at the beginning. We also explain what it means to properly ground your car. So our manuals tell you how to install the product, but you learn kind of the fundamentals while you're at it.
And also in the Pro Kit is the alternator. Heavy duty alternator.
Yeah, so all the Pro Series kits come with 6-gauge charge wire to handle all the high amperage alternators everyone's using. They have a MIDI fuse, so if you ever do run into an issue, it protects the system, but you can have a fuse in your glove box.
And while wiring is important, it's ugly, so to make it look better, you have coverings.
Yeah, so we have classic and power braid. We're using the classic braid in this kit because it kind of fits the air. It's a little more cloth appearing. Nice thing is it wraps over itself. So with it being split loom, you can install it after the fact real easy. And because it wraps on itself so well, you don't have to zip tie it every so often. It just makes for a really clean setup. It's real heat resistant, chemical resistant. And then we have another option called power braid. It's a little more modern appearing.
But it functions the same.
Yeah,
it just makes the wires look nice, and they're both far superior than the old.
Yeah, convoluted. That stuff is no fun.
It's hard to work with, and it looks better than wires, but not much.
Yeah.
So this always looks really clean and nice in there. So I know we've been wiring the car like over and over and over.
Yeah, just, you do one thing.
Yeah, we've been wiring. We've been wiring for a while. It's a lot of wires when you start in a car that's never had anything done. But they're getting there, and they're doing it right, which is what's important. You got to take your time with wiring. So let's get back out there. Some of these parts I know they need, so they can finish it up and get the car closer to being on the road. All right, let's go do it.